Hello adventurers, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Fun Mountain in Branson, Missouri, where we're about to go underwater to do some bowling. Okay, we can't bowl by ourselves and it's pretty loud in here, so I'm just going to be showing you the highlights. But today we are joined by my dad. We have a friendly competition on the channel. Normally it's putt-putt. Today it's bowling. Now whenever you're coming out here, it is $35 per hour, and then you have to do shoe rental. But oh my gosh, look at this theming. I'll show you a little bit more, but we're playing right now. I'll be right back. First round, we're just trying to find the ball that works best. We have some time, so I'm trying out this 10-pounder. You know the Little Mermaid, how they sing the Andalus, da-dun-da-dun? That's what I feel like right now. This place is awesome. The theming is amazing. So amazing. Okay, we played one game, we totally warmed up, and now comes the real competition. Now, just so you know, in that first game, I did win, but we haven't bowled in forever. This is an extreme sport. I am getting hot. Okay, third game, Dad won. I won the first one, and two, he won game 3. Okay, so up here you can see in the very last corner over here, we have about 14 minutes to go. So we're trying to get in one last game. This game has gotten super competitive. Super competitive. Okay, so little issue. The lane got stuck. We had to call out a tech. Again, super loud in here. Super sorry, guys, but BRB. This is down to the wire. That's our lane right there. Okay, adventurers. Gotta take the shoes back. It's hot. Okay, now that we are out here, and obviously I am sweating. We ended up playing 5 games in 1 hour, and basically because there was only 2 of us, we powered through it. Now, Dad had me shook there. I had won the first 2 games. He came in and cleaned up the second 2, and in the last minute, I won by 1 point on the very last game. And right here, as you can see, this is where the bowling is. But this place is awesome, and there are so many other things. So I'm gonna kind of show you what it looks like, and we're gonna check out this arcade.
So here we go again, it's no surprise. 'Cause we know better than to roll the dice. So take this love and try to make it new. You can't fight it when it feels so true. You drive me crazy like no one else. The final moment before I lose myself. And it's no use working 9 to 5 if you want more than to stay alive. So come on over, we can make it through. Take my hand, I know just what to do. On the beat, keep dancing through the night. Stay up until the morning light, the morning light. Oh, so come on over, we can make it through. Take my hand, I know just what to do. On the beat, keep dancing through.
Guys, thanks for coming with me to Fun Mountain. It was a blast, and I'm super glad that Dad joined me today. It's always a little bit more fun to have a friendly competition, and places like this are perfect. Now, I will say this, if you are coming out to visit at this particular Johnny Morris property and you follow your Apple map, it will take you a way that you don't have to pay an entry to get out to the grounds themselves. If you go through the actual Apple map, that does that. However, if you go through the main properties, you're gonna end up paying an entrance, so there's that. Also, check online for pricing, because depending on how many people are in your group, some things like bowling today actually include up to a group of 6 for $35. However, some things are priced per person. So you're gonna wanna know how much you're kind of expecting to spend before you come out. But overall, really good time here at Fun Mountain, and I hope that you've enjoyed coming with me. If you have, make sure you leave a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time.